Hello and welcome to our series of instructional webinars for Meridian's new ePlanner PRIME. In this webinar, we'll give an overview of the PRIME app for teachers using an iPad. The first time you open your new PRIME app, you'll need to log in. Enter in your email and password and you'll be permanently logged in with your iPad. Once logged in, the app will take you to the Home tab. This tab is designed to give immediate information about the priorities of the day. In the banner across the top, the Due, Assigned, and Notification buttons can be tapped to show a quick list of all the items that fall into these categories. In the center of the screen, you will see your Glance tab. In the Glance tab, you will be able to see your assignments that are overdue, due today, and upcoming. Here you can also adjust the % complete status or check the complete button. If you check the complete button, the item will disappear from the Glance screen but will still be in your calendar. Tap the edit icon and you can see more information about the assignment or make changes as needed. You can also check the day's news and announcements made by your school administrator. Scroll through this area to see what's new at your school this week. At the bottom of the screen, the Add Task button is always active. Tap it and the Add Item window will appear. Select the type of item you are adding from the drop-down. When adding homework or an assignment, you must fill in the following areas: title, class, and due date. You have the option to set the priority, percentage, estimated effort, add a web link, description, and up to 3 attachments if you want. When adding an event or a note, you must fill in all the available fields. All items will be added to your calendar when saved. You can also push homework and assignments to your students from this tab. Under Type, select either Assignment or Homework, then add a title. Next, set the correct class and the priority setting for the task. Tap on the date next to Due and adjust it accordingly. You can also adjust the time an item is due, or you can use the On the Day button for items that are due for the day you selected, but not at a specific time. This will make the item show at the top of the calendar for that day in the All Day section. Set the percentage the task is worth and the estimated effort for your students. When you have filled out all the necessary information, be sure the Assign to Student button is highlighted, then tap Next. Now you will tap on the class to view the students associated with that class and select who will receive the assignment. When finished, tap Next and you can check to make sure all the information is set correctly before tapping Send. Once you send the assignment, it will sync instantly with your students and be added to their calendar. Events and notes can also be pushed out to students and added to their calendar. Now let's take a look at the calendar. Tap on the Calendar tab and you will see the Day view. Here you can check your classes, assignments that are due, and any notes or events for the day. To see a different day, tap on the calendar icon next to the date and swipe to the desired day. This option is also available in the Week, Month, or Glance view. Change from day to week and so on by tapping the option in the View section to the top left. You will see several icons within the Calendar tab. The clock icon shows an item that is due. The house icon shows a homework task. And the book icon shows an assignment that has been added. These icons will be color-coded to match the colors you chose in your timetable. In the Timetable tab, you can see a quick overall schedule of your classes for the semester. It can be adapted to any bell schedule, and each class period can be color-coded by you for easy reference. We recommend your school have a universal color code so students can quickly identify classes when viewing their calendar. For example, all English classes could be green, all science classes orange, and so on. To change the color representing the class, tap on that class, then tap on the small box in the lower left corner, and tap on the color you would like to use. Then tap Save. Tap the My Timetables and Subjects tab on the right to switch the view from first to second semester. Next is the My Classes tab. Here you will see a list of every class you are associated with. Tap on any class to view the tasks that have been assigned to that specific class and a list of students in the class. Tap on a task to see the students that have been assigned that task and their progress. You can also send reminders to students about the task by tapping the Remind button. Then tap on each student you want to remind or check the Select All box, then tap Done. A small window will pop up where you will add a message to the student to go along with the reminder, then tap Send. Next is the Inbox tab. Here you can send or receive messages from students and parents. News, announcements, and office messages are listed to the left and sorted by date. To start a new message, tap this icon in the right-hand corner of the message column. Select a list of individuals you would like to choose from to send the message to, from either student, parent, class, or all. Use the drop-down menu to choose a recipient and tap in the subject line or message window to type. Next is the School Information tab. This tab contains your school policy pages. You can move from page to page using the Information tab on the right or the Next and Previous options at the bottom of the page. You can also tap on live links to view web pages included within the policy pages. The Educational Content tab contains resource pages with useful information that can help students with their homework. The My Profile tab contains information customized to each user, and you can edit some of this information by tapping the Edit button on the right. This will also allow you to add or change the profile photo. The profile photo will show along with your name in the Student Planner version. When changes are completed to your profile, tap the Save button on the right. Last is the About tab. This tab is a quick visual help section that will show you some of the basics of how your ePlanner works. This concludes our overview of the Prime app for teachers using an iPad. Please watch the remaining webinars for more information or contact a Prime customer service representative at 1-888-724-8512 if you have any questions.